Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So this is the Walgreens preview for the week of August the 23rd to the 29th of 2020. So looking at the cover here, some sensible deals, and there is a booster that did show up. So pairing it with a lot of this, we're going to get a lot of stuff for free, which is really great. So yeah, just a lot of great stuff. We're gearing up towards back to school, so there's lots of those supplies as well. And before we really dive into it, if you could possibly like this video, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. It really helps out with the old YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much, guys. So if you might have been so lucky, this showed up, I believe, last Wednesday, Thursday-ish. So in your households folder, I received a 5 off of 20, or you might have some percentage off, like, 10% off of 20 or something like that. It is your choice if you want to use it or not. Treat it like an IVC, which is a Walgreens coupon, and it is of a one-time use. But we're going to touch on this in a couple. So if you didn't get the booster, we're going to go through some deals. And if you did get the booster, I'm going to have a really great deal for you here in a couple. So the first thing, Scott, toilet paper, paper towel, and Kleenex. There's going to be a $1 digital coupon for all of them. So it drops it down to $2.75 pairing it with the IVC. So if you're just going to buy one, grab one of those, get the cashier to scan the $1.25 IVC found in the August Big Book, plus your digital coupon. You're left with paying $2.75. And yes, you can use points for this. So say you were going to grab one of each, say like a Scott and a Kleenex, that's 10 on the nose. Scan the IVC once and $2.50 is coming off, plus two $2 digital coupons. So make sure you load all of those on Sunday morning. So it's $5.50. I would throw in 5,000 points, pay 50 cents for the two. And I think that's just absolutely winning and a fantastic way to rebuild your paper products. And this is a superb deal for some free toothpaste. So these little kind of weird looking toothpaste, they are $3 each. When you buy 3 of them, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. And on Sunday morning, there will be a wonderful 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So looking at the math for this, grab 3 of those Crest for $9 on the nose. Subtracting that 5 off of 3, you're left with paying $4 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, essentially making it a free transaction. Now, if you wish to throw in 4,000 points to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it, and that $4 register reward will print for you. And we have another deal for more free toothpaste. So this is the week to really stock up on this stuff, guys. They are $2.99 a pop. There's going to be a 3 off of 2 starting on Sunday morning, and 3,000 points when you buy 2. So looking at this, guys, grabbing 2 tubes of the toothpaste, that is $5.98. Subtracting the 3 off of 2, again, you can load that manufacturer on Sunday morning. You're left with paying $2.98 out of pocket, getting back your 3,000 points, making it free. And if you wish to use points for this, it's absolutely cool because this one is a buy scenario. So you can use points to earn points. Okay, so now we have a little deal here on the All or Snuggle, $2.88, and there's going to be a $1 coupon on Sunday, dropping it down to $1.88. Now, if you might be so lucky to grab your local Retail Me Not from the local newspaper, there is going to be a $2 on these packs, so it's a little bit extra awesome if you can track this coupon down. So we're going to look at this 2 ways. The first way is with the digital coupon. Grab an All or Snuggle product. It is your choice. It's for $2.88. Subtracting that $1 digital coupon that you can load on Sunday morning, you're paying $1.88 out of pocket. Now, say you might have that $2 coupon. Grab one of those packs for $2.88. Subtracting that $2 coupon, you're paying 88 cents for a pack, which is a really great price point for all detergent. It's really expensive. It's usually like close to $6 on a non-sales week. On first blush, this week might seem really boring, but if you might have this 5 off of 20, you can use it starting on Sunday right till the Saturday. So it's a 5 off of 20, and it's off of MultiBrand, and treat this like an IVC, which is a Walgreens coupon. Don't use it in a sort of deal that's, spend X, get so many points, like the Gillette King C that's also in this video, but you can use it on a hodgepodge like this. So we're going to get some of the items that I just showed you, including 3 of the Crest for $9, 2 of those Colgate toothpaste for $5.98, 1 All product for $2.88, and 1 of the Kleenexes for $5. But I'm going to take the liberties here to already subtract the IVC coupon, so it's now at $375. So your new total of all your products is $21.61. Subtracting that 5 off a 20 booster plus $10 of digital manufacturers. And I showed you all of those coupons in the slides previous. So if you add it all up, it's 10 on the nose. So you're left with paying $661 out of pocket. If you wish to use points to pay that down, absolutely go for it. And we're getting back a $4 register reward from Crest and 3,000 points back from Colgate. So, this amounts to free plus a 39-cent money maker. It's a different way to look at it. If you might have that 5 off of 20, use it. And this is just a really good deal to get all this stuff on the cheap. How wonderful is that? Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at is Kellogg's has been making like these weird cereals. Like, see that one in the back? Fruit Loop Marshmallow. And they have another one. It's like Frosted Flakes with marshmallows. It's like two cereals are marrying each other and doing some weird stuff. And I know that this is part of it because my friend Nini Coupons bought this cereal during the last time they had a really good, like a freebie on this product. And it was either at Walmart or Walgreens you could buy it. So if you live in a bigger city, you might be able to track this down. So as you can see on IBOTTA, there's a $1 rebate for that Frosted Flakes marshmallow. And there's also a Fruit Loop tropical one. So whichever one you want to grab for the first little dealio I'm going to show you, it would be to grab one of those boxes, and hopefully your store sells that line. It will be $1.99 on the nose. Subtracting the 50 center from this Sunday, you'll load that one digitally. You'll pay $1.49 out of pocket and get a $1 rebate to IBOTTA, making it 49 cents for the cereal. Now, the specific Frosted Flakes marshmallow, that one's $1.99. There's a $1 printable on Kellogg's Family Rewards, so you'll have to go to that site, and if you're a member, you might be able to print that coupon. The more that you shop and buy Kellogg's products, the more coupons that you received. You'll pay 99 cents, get $1 back from IBOTTA, essentially making it free. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance, totally cool. So hopefully on Sunday, if your store has this and you can line this up, you can possibly get some free cereal. How wonderful is that? Okay, guys, next deal that we have is with the L'Oreal Elvive. If you're Mrs. Empty Nester, this is called a L'Oreal Elvis. 2 for $8. There is a 2 off of 2 Walgreens coupon found in the IVC August Big Book. Plus, there will be a 4 off of 2 starting on Sunday morning, dropping it down to $1 a piece. So again, grabbing 2 of them, that's 8 on the nose. Scrab. Scan the 2 off of 2 from the August Big Book of Savings, along with the digital 4 off of 2 digital that'll be showing up on Sunday morning. You're left with paying 2 out of pocket, guys, for the 2 shampoos, basically making it $1 each. And if you wish to use points, go for it, or scrab with it, your choice. Okay, so now we have some Dixie Plates. These are usually $3.99 a pop on a buy one, get one free, plus there's a $1 off 2 coupon. And even though one of them is a free item, the coupon will still attach because the line limit. So grabbing 2 of them for $3.99, subtracting that $1 off 2 digital, that'll be showing up on Sunday morning, and that's a manufacturer. You're left with paying $2.99 out of pocket for the 2, or $1.49 each. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it in this scenario. Okay, guys, now we have some Almay makeup wipes. It is the cheapest thing in the line, so that's what we're going to go with. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off, $4 register reward when you buy 2. And in a recent insert, we got a coupon. So we have this wonderful 3 off of 2, and it's on the makeup wipes, and this is valid till the 29th, so you can use it right up until Saturday. So grabbing 2 of those makeup wipes priced at $5.99. That's $8.98. Remember, it's on a buy one, get one 50% off, so that's how I'm getting that goofy math. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 from the Smart Source of August the 16th, you're left with paying $5.98 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2, or 99 cents each. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it, and that register reward will still print. Okay, so now we're looking at the Gillette King C. This is 10,000 points when you spend 20. And this is a really good 50% return on investment. And you got to pay cash for the balance for this one. And if you're going to try and use this with it, this is like an IVC coupon, which is a Walgreens coupon. So say you're trying to buy 20 on the nose and you use this, you're actually only spending 15 because you can't use like an IVC or a Walgreens coupon on this sort of a basket too. So I would avoid using this at all cost unless you're going to buy 25 and, try and balance the math that way. But it's kind of confusing. I would do a much easier basket like the one I showed you at the beginning because it's better savings basically. Okay, guys, so we're going to grab one of these King C Gillette. It's some sort of beard balm for $12.99. If you have some special guy's birthday, or if you just want to treat yourself, all you male couponers out there, $12.99. Along with one of these blades with refill for $9.99. There's also a $2 coupon that's affixing to this product, and we'll take a quick peek what it looks like. Here it is. You're going to load this, and if you might have a register reward to throw in to try to get a smaller balance, that would be really smart to do. So grabbing one of those razors for $9.99, one of the beard balms for $12.99. That right there is a total of $22.98. Subtracting that $2 digital, and maybe if you have a $5 register reward from last week from the Revlon deal, throw that in. You're left with paying $15.98 cash out of pocket, getting back 10,000 points, making it $5.98 for the two, or $2.99 per product. Remember, you have to pay cash for the balance for you to be rewarded the points, as this is a spend offer. Okay, guys, let's talk about some honorable mentions. Now, one thing I am seeing very plentiful in many stores, including Walgreens, is the Germ-X. You know, if you might have a $5 register reward or 5,000 points, I think paying 90 cents for 30 ounces of Germ-X is a really great deal and a smart use of those points. Also, it is back to school time, or very close to, or I know a lot of kids are already back into school. We have a buy one, get one free on these Wexford binders, which is a Walgreens brand, and also a buy one, get one free on Bic stationery, that good stuff. Along with buy one, get one free on the Wexford backpacks, and 5 for $1 for the different folders and highlighters and all that stuff for back to school. Now, if you're going to have a cookout, how wonderful is this? It's a buy one, get one free on various condiments, along with the Oscar Mayer hot dogs, and then $2.99 for the ground beef, which is a really great price point. I haven't been to a grocery store in a really long time, like to buy groceries, but I know that the price of ground beef has skyrocketed lately. I've heard about that. And then $3 off for this Blue Rhino if you are really going to do a big cookout. So they have every aspect of your cookout covered, from the disposable plates to the condiments to the propane. So they are on that. Okay, and now a little special on bacon, which is 2 for $8, and this is a pound of Oscar Mayer bacon, which is like really great. I do know that this is one product too that the prices really jumped a lot in grocery stores. The last time I went, like a couple weeks back, I was looking at bacon and I was like almost falling over, saying, "Oh my God, that's really expensive." But $4 for a pack, that's a pound. That is not bad. I've had this bacon before, and it's really good. You know, it's Oscar Mayer. And then also, we have a lot of soft drinks. Buy two, get one for free. So you're probably going to pay about $12.40, and there you have that. Coca-Cola and Pepsi included. And also this deal is back, which is a buy one, get two for free on the various Walgreens Nice brand for the sandwich bags and all that good stuff. So it basically shakes out each item to 93 cents each. So a lot to be considered for Sunday moving forward over at Walgreens, and if there are any extra deals that pop up, I'll make more videos for you guys, but it's looking like a pretty good week over there. And for all the IBOTTA users out there, I just wanted to let you know that I think yesterday evening I finally received my there was some sort of rebate that if you did 50, the summer cash pool, you would be put into this purse. And as I suspected, it was like $11. I know some of you got 6, some of you got the same amount, but you had to complete the 50 rebates within that window. So the money has finally rolled in. And what are we, like the 21st of the month? But hey, it's better than nothing. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.